What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. The cup we are working on today is a 20 ounce. I just snagged this from Walmart, and what I did is I took a lightning bolt into Design Space and I just resized it. I made it skinnier and I stretched it out really long to fit the size of my cup. And I didn't exactly know how I wanted these to look at first. I knew I wanted them to be kind of low on the cup. So you'll see me put it on and take it off and readjust it. I decided I wanted them to be kind of at a diagonal. Once I have all the lightning bolts on, I'm gonna get some paint. I'm going with purple, green, and blue. This purple here, it's not good. I don't know what it is, but it's not good. I end up going and adding some white to it. It makes it a little better. The green and the blue are, I think, just apple barrel from Walmart. I will have everything linked down below in the description so you can see exactly what I used. And this blue one, I do add some white to that also because I wanted it just a tad lighter. I do 2 coats on each lightning bolt. You guys will notice that I love neon bright colors. I will probably make a bunch of cups that are pretty and bright. I do just use the paint as the adhesive for the glitter, but I don't recommend that. I recommend mixing the paint with some Mod Podge or some kind of glue that you use. It'll be much better. I had some patchy spots. The glitter just didn't hang on as well as I thought it was going to. The purple that I used is called Jellyfish, and that is from StarCraft. And the green that I use is called Tink. If you've seen any of my other videos, I've used that one before. And the blue glitter is called Tubular, and that is also from StarCraft. The green is from the Inspired Angels. I forgot to say that. Once we have all the glitter on, I'm going to take off the vinyl, and then I'm going to take a paintbrush and kind of sweep away the extra glitter. And you'll probably notice that I have paint that got stuck on my fingers, and it's on the cup, and I got out of the lines and I made a mess. But what I did is I just took a little bit of water on a rag and cleaned it up like that, and it worked pretty well. And then I took it out and sprayed it with 2 times clear Rust-Oleum to seal that glitter in. And now we're going to start on our leopard spots. This yellow paint, also apple barrel from Walmart. I noticed that once I put the glitter on, it was like kind of see-through. You could see the cup through it. So I had to do 2 coats of the yellow. So I just go back and do 2 coats and then do my glitter. And it turned out a lot better. The yellow glitter is from Michael's, and it's called Neon Yellow. For the hot pink, I'm using just a pink paint, and the glitter is Hot Flamingo from the Inspired Angels. Again, I'm just using the paint as my adhesive, and I recommend adding Mod Podge in to the paint. It will hold the glitter much better. I do want to say, these leopard spots are not my finest. I was not happy with them, but I went with it, and it is what it is. When you're done applying your glitter, make sure you take this out and seal it with some clear spray paint. I use 2 times Rust-Oleum clear. I like it, it works well. However, my can was about empty and I didn't realize it. So mine did not get sealed very well, and when I put the epoxy on, the pink glitter, well, both of them just went everywhere. So I decided to just add glitter to the epoxy on my second coat. So once the spots are done, I do 1 coat of epoxy, and that's when my glitter got everywhere, but that's okay. And then I'm going to add some pinstriping around the lightning bolts, I'm using a nail tape it's like a holographic silver. I struggled with this a little bit. This was my first time using a nail tape. I'm not used to wearing nails either, so I think the combination it just was a struggle for me. But that's okay, we got through it. Once I'm done with the pinstriping, it is ready for another coat of epoxy. I used just a pinch of this purple haze and just a pinch of this diamond dust, both from the Inspired Angels. I mixed that in my epoxy, and it turned out really pretty. The epoxy that I used is Flynn Sisters Premium Epoxy. It is beautiful. I love it. I recommend using it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.